How to fix Snapchat notifications not working on iPhone. In this guide, I'll show you a few simple steps to fix the problem. First, open the Snapchat app on your iPhone. Tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Then tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open settings. Scroll down and tap Notifications. Make sure all the notification options you want are turned on. If notifications are disabled, you won't receive alerts for snaps, chats, calls, or other Snapchat activity. If the issue still isn't fixed, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Go to General. Scroll down and tap on Transfer. Then tap on Reset. Tap Reset All Settings and confirm your choice. This won't delete your personal data, but it will reset system settings, such as Wi-Fi, notifications, privacy, and keyboard settings to their defaults, which can help resolve notification-related issues. Once the reset is complete, restart your iPhone and check if Snapchat notifications are working again. And that's it. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, share it with others, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.